Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve dental insurance with Delta Dental, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your dental insurance with Delta Dental, start by reviewing your current policy details. Check your coverage limits and understand what services are included. Identify any gaps in your coverage that may require additional attention. Next, research the different plan options offered by Delta Dental. Consider factors such as monthly premiums, deductibles, and copayments. Evaluate the network of dentists associated with each plan. Confirm that your preferred dentist is in-network for maximum benefits. Now, assess the preventive care services covered by each plan. Look for options that offer higher coverage percentages for preventive care. If you require more complex procedures, investigate plans with comprehensive coverage. Compare the waiting periods for major procedures across different plans. Reach out to Delta Dental's customer service for clarification on specific policies. Ask about any discounts available for bundling dental insurance with other services. Take advantage of their online tools to estimate costs based on your needs. Consider adding supplemental coverage if you anticipate high dental expenses. Once you've gathered all necessary information, analyze your options carefully. Make a decision based on your oral health needs and financial situation. Finally, contact Delta Dental to update or enroll in your chosen plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.